Meaning of foils.
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 Foils. Foyles typically refers to a bookstore chain in the United Kingdom, founded by William Foyle in 1903. The flagship store is located on Charing Cross Road in London and is known for its extensive collection of books, particularly on the subjects of literature and the arts. Foyles has a reputation for being a destination for book lovers and has been praised for its knowledgeable staff, cozy atmosphere, and wide selection of titles. In short, Foyles is a beloved institution of British literature and culture, a place where readers can lose themselves in the world of books.